In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in HubSpot. Whether you're a beginner navigating HubSpot for the first time or someone looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through every step you need to effectively manage your contacts and data using lists. To get started, you'll first want to make your way to the HubSpot user guide. This will serve as our reference point today as we look to create lists. Once you're there, the next step is to click on CRM. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is where you'll be managing your interactions and relationships with both current and potential customers. It's the tool that houses all your data, ensuring you have easy access to the information you need. Now that you're in the CRM section, look for the option labeled Lists and give it a click. This section is critical for organizing and segmenting your contacts and data. Lists allow you to group your contacts based on certain criteria, making it easier to personalize your communication and manage your customer interactions effectively. After you access the Lists section, the next action is to click on Create List. This is where the real magic happens. Creating a list is intuitive and provides you with options to categorize your data in a way that suits your business needs. It's a vital function for tailoring your email marketing, sales outreach, and customer service communications. As you proceed, you'll see options for what type of list you can create. To begin with, click on Contacts. This type of list is useful when you want to organize individuals based on certain characteristics or actions, such as those who have subscribed to your newsletter or attended a recent webinar. If your focus is more tailored towards financial interactions, then the next option, Deals, may be of interest. Clicking here allows you to cluster together all those contacts involved in a particular sales transaction, making follow-ups and pipeline tracking simpler and more efficient. Next, there's the Orders List option. This step is particularly useful for e-commerce businesses or any situation where tracking purchase history is essential. By creating an orders list, you can easily monitor who bought what and when, facilitating targeted marketing and service strategies. For B2B companies, managing relationships with entire organizations might be more relevant. Click on the companies, and you'll be able to keep an organized view of your business clients, understanding better who your top partners are. Then we move on to tickets. Click here to create a list of customer service inquiries or complaints. It's an invaluable resource for troubleshooting, ensuring that no issue goes unresolved and that your support team can provide timely solutions. And finally, we have carts. In the context of online shopping, a carts list helps track users' purchase intentions and abandoned carts, giving you the opportunity to re-engage potential buyers with targeted campaigns. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering list creation in HubSpot, helping enhance your business operations and customer engagement with ease. Thank you for watching, and I wish you much success in your HubSpot endeavors.